As we have done the question that what happens when AD is not equal to AS, similarly there could be a situation when savings are not equal to investment, means equilibrium is not there. Then there may arise two situations that either savings are greater than investment or savings are less than investment. Let's discuss this situation one by one. First of all, when savings are greater than investment, it implies a situation when people are saving more. When people says more from the income, it means they are reducing the consumption, their consumption is decreasing. Clear? And consumption is a part of aggregate demand. If consumption decreases, it means aggregate demand also decreases and it will become less than the aggregate supply in the economy. Clear? And when aggregate demand is less than aggregate supply, then we know that some output with the producer remain unsold because aggregate supply is more here. Aggregate demand is less because consumption decreases and consumption is decreasing because savings is increasing. Clear? So when savings is greater than investment, it is a situation when AD is less than AS. Clear? So when AS is more or production is more, then obviously the output will be unsold, and to clear this stock the producer will cut the production, means they will not produce in future. Clear? When production will not be there, then obviously factors of production will not get income, so less income would be there, and ultimately when incomes become less, then their saving will also reduce. See it again, if the producer will cut the production, it means they will not produce, then factors of production will not get the income also, means income also reduces. And when income reduces, then people also save less. Clear? So in this way saving also decreases, and this will continue till to the point the savings by decreasing become equals to investment, and again the equilibrium will be stored at a point where saving is equal to investment. Clear? Similarly here, if saving is less than investment, it means it is a situation where people are saving less. When they are saving less, it means more of the part of their income is consumed, so their demand is more. Accordingly, the aggregate demand in the economy would increase than aggregate supply. It means it is a situation where AD is greater than AS. Clear? So when demand is more than supply, the producer will suffer the loss of unfulfilled demand because some of the consumer demand will not be met by the producers because they are having shortage of output. Clear? So to just recover that particular unfulfilled demand, producer will plan more output, they will increase the aggregate supply. Then what will happen? If they want to produce more, then obviously they have to employ more factors of production, then more income will be generated. Clear? And when more income is generated, then savings will also increase. See it again, when producer will produce more output, they will give more income by employing more factors of production. Clear? And when income increases, no doubt savings also increases because there is positive relation between income and saving. So again, S increases to a point when savings becomes equal to investment. Clear? So the equilibrium restored again in this way. Clear? So in both the situation, whether saving is greater than investment or saving is less than investment, the equilibrium will be stored accordingly by increase in production or decrease in production, and will change the income. Change in income will also change the savings. Clear? And in this way the equilibrium between S and I will be restored.